guys, it's Taco Tuesday. We're not having tacos. We're going to have nachos because they're easier to be managed. So I went to Aldi's. I got some grass-fed beef. And I got some cheese. And I got some medium salsa stuff. And I also got some verde. I love that. And I got green peppers and onions and lettuce. So let's get started. Oh, yeah. Got some hint of lime chips. All this came from Aldi. So let the Taco Tuesday begin. So to make it easier on myself, I'm using the onion and pepper blend, or pepper and onion blend, as it says. Let's put a bunch of that in there with the meat so that, with a little seasoning. And I'm also using taco seasoning. Yeah, original. We bought this a while ago, and it's got all the necessary items in it so that we can get going. I gotta open it because it's never been opened. There we go. Okay. So let's look here. Okay. Alrighty. I shook some of this on here. Shook a little bit more. Okay. And I loosened it up with this after I put in the pepper and onion blend. And I turned the stove on. And I'm just going to let that simmer down just a little bit. I'll come back in, I don't know, a couple minutes or so. And for my black beans, I don't like all the goop, so I kind of drain them and give them a light rinse because there's a lot of goop. Okay, that's enough. Whatever drains out after that is good. And what I do after that is, woo, you hear that noise? That is the sizzling. And it looks like my meat is getting there. Just shimmy that around with this little iron again. And for the most of you, you kind of know what meat looks like when it's cooking. And it already smells good because I put in that taco seasoning. But I also have some tomato paste that I'm going to drop in there. So, anyway. let's drop those beans in there because the meat is like 70% done, 75. Okay. Chopping at it and making sure that it gets all incorporated in there. Looks good. So I'm going to drop the top back on. Turn it down to low and let it just simmer up a little bit more. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, and it's looking pretty good. But I'm going to drop this little tomato paste. That's from an extra can that I had. Had a can of tomato paste and I didn't use it all. So I'm just going to let it sit there and melt up and get in there. And then I'll taste it once I get that all stirred up. Once the tomato paste melts, I get it all stirred up. I'll taste it to see if it needs more seasoning, and that's going to be good. Okay, let's check it now. It's been a couple of minutes because that tomato paste was hard as a rock. Yeah, it's gotten melted, thank goodness. And I'm going to add a little water because I want the tomato paste to make like a sauce. I don't want it to be so hard and so stiff. So tomato paste is a thickener because it's paste. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Okay, I will let all these flavors marinate in there for a little while, get all happy and get to know one another, and I will taste it in about a minute or two. Okay, been a minute or two. Let's see how it tastes. Get a little bit of everything here. See? Woo, it's hot. Needs some more spice. I'll drop in a little bit more of the taco seasoning. Maybe a little chili powder if I have it. We'll see. So, it's not spicy at all. So I'm going to add just a hint of that. Uh-oh. Just a pinch. Because I don't like hot food. Ron does. Okay, that's enough. Then I have some of this. Is a local guy that goes to my church. His name is Jason Wood. And he makes these seasonings. He inherited the season making, I guess, profession from his dad. And it's called Whiskey Wood Sauces and Seasonings. So it's got, let's see, what is in here? It is brown sugar, spices, salt, onions, garlic, and pepper. It's pretty good. I put it on a lot of everything. So let's drop a little of that on there too. And let all these seasonings marry all together. And let's check it then. Okay, I put the seasonings, extra seasonings on. Hope it's not going to be too thick. It looks kind of thick, doesn't it? May have to add a little water. Not adding hot sauce. My husband likes hot sauce. If he wants hot sauce, he can put it on himself. Okay. Let's get a new spoon and try this again. Let's see. That's pretty good. I think that'll do it. Okay.
Hey, this is good.
Got meat, cheese, beans, salsa,
And everything else I haven't eaten up yet?
and everything else he hadn't eaten up yet. But yeah, it was a quick little easy lightweight meal, and he's a savage. He eats with his hands. So
Here's a fork right here.
yeah, right. But he ain't using it. It's all good though.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome, babe. Anyway, this is Rose, and you have seen Cooking with Rose. I made nachos on a Tuesday for Taco Tuesday, even though they're not tacos, they're nachos, because it's easier like that. Anyway, you've been watching me do my thing, and now I'm going to fix me a plate. So, again, this is Everyday Life with Ron and Rose, and it's Taco Tuesday, even though you probably see this tomorrow, which will probably be Wednesday, but that's okay. I love you. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share me out. Let's grow this channel.